Agents, listen up. It's a little bit of a tough market. I get it, but education will help you win. I promise you. Wanted to go over a little bit of a process that we're helping our agents with, educating our client who, let's face it, in this market, they're probably going to sell a home in which they have a lower interest rate and buy a home which they have a slightly higher interest rate. The market isn't going to dictate 2 and 3% anymore. So let's be realistic and not allow a lack of education to grind our real estate market to a screeching halt. A real life scenario here where we're taking a client and showing them that their 3.25% interest rate that they're holding on to won't necessarily cripple them if they have to sell that house and buy a new house at a little bit of a higher rate. So you can see you have a $350,000 house, or they're looking to sell 3.25 rate. It's fantastic, but unfortunately, it's not coming back, right? Great news here in this situation is this client has equity, as most of your clients in this market will have some equity to deal with. They also have some liabilities, right? So we want to make sure that we're taking them through the scenario where they understand what can the proceeds of their home do to put them in a better situation. So we're looking to pay off some an installment loan debt here at a higher interest rate. We're looking to also pay off some credit card debt and take them through the scenario where uh, showing them what the proceeds will do with regards to buying their new home. Paying off that debt, you're going to still have a down payment on the property, still take care of all your closing costs. Yes, you're going to have a higher interest rate, but in this case scenario, this client is going to be paying over $300 less overall on their monthly expenses by selling property A and buying property B, which is property B is an upgrade. Property B is going to be at a higher interest rate, but property B is going to serve their family much better and still put them in a better financial situation. This is important for you guys to understand as you're taking your client through this process. And we're going to provide tools like this to all of our partners that we're working with, so you can make sure you put the odds in your favor as you're educating your client, taking them from property A to property B. Interest rate doesn't mean it's the end of the world. Higher interest rate doesn't mean it's a bad situation for them. So reach out to me through a direct message or comment below. I'll certainly be more than happy to make some time, share this form with you, walk you through the steps about how we're educating our clients here at Mission Mortgage. I'll talk to y'all soon.